Hey guys, today we're going to perform an experiment that is focused on static electricity. So I have this balloon here. I already blew it up with air, not helium. And I'm going to take some salt, kosher salt, and some black pepper. And I'm going to pour it into this plate, mix it together. And then I'm going to take the balloon, rub it against my hair, and then I'm going to hold it up over this plate to see what happens, and then we'll explain the results. So I'm going to get started. If you see me glance off a little bit, I just want to make sure I'm doing the experiment correctly. Stay. Okay, so I have my salt here. We're going to take and pour a little bit in this plate. My beautiful videographer is my oldest daughter, Alicia, so hopefully she's getting this correctly. Here's our salt, and then here's our pepper. And I'm going to take it and mix it together. I'm going to give it a little shake. And here we have our balloon that I pre-blew up, and I'm going to rub it against my head. And then we're going to see what happens. So, if you notice, and I don't know if you can see it, but I'm sure you can hear it. See that? Some of the salt and the pepper went up here. But there's pepper and salt up here. So, that's the end of this experiment. I'm going to explain why I think this is. So, the friction that I think, that I caused by rubbing this against my head created electrons from the hair to transfer to the balloon. Now, when I did this, it gives the balloon a negative charge. A negative charge, when it's held over the dish of the pepper stuck to the balloon, which has protons, but this also has the salt. Now, I don't know if that has to do with it being kosher salt versus maybe another salt. I also cook with which is salt that has less potassium in it. So that could be, or it could be that my hair, there's a lot of factors, is synthetic and wasn't my natural hair, therefore didn't cause the friction. And let's not forget that I have this net on. So I'm going to blow up another balloon, and I'm going to perform this again, and I'm going to actually take my scarf off to see if the results vary. I don't think they will. I think that it has to do with what kind of salt I used, but I just want to, eliminate a couple of variables. Actually, I'm going to have my daughter come over here since her hair is completely natural and mine isn't, and let's see if anything changes. I'm going to have a seat, Allie. Okay, so here I am. I'm going to blow up this balloon, tie it, and then we're going to start again. Gosh, I'm going to break my nails on this. Okay. So a little bit smaller, but the same concept applies. I'm going to just add some more pepper and salt here and mix it together. There's actually still quite a bit of salt in here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to mix it together. Okay. I'm going to take this balloon and rub it against my daughter's head. And let's see what results we get this time. I'm just going to move this out the way. So in this one, I'm just going to show you only the pepper went up, which is what I expected. So for the most part, it's only the pepper. Well, there's some salt there, but it's more pepper that went up this time. So I think that you can step out the way. I think that went with the original theory that we were thinking, that maybe my hair being synthetic or me having a scarf on was a factor. But the pepper, the idea is that the pepper and the balloon, the static from my hair transfers into the balloon, creating a negative and a positive charge, which then causes the opposites to attract. This has been the end of my video, and hopefully you get a better understanding. I have a better understanding, at least, of what the static electricity and the opposites of negative and positive charge, a net charge and a positive charge, cause with ions and atoms. Thank you. Have a good day.